Implementing the breadth-first traversal algorithm is very similar to the depth-first traversal algorithm, except that instead of using a stack, we use a queue. Everything else is exactly the same. Now let me show you why. So we're still going to talk about the same graph we had before, and we're going to start with the A as the root or the starting node. So here we have a queue, and let's imagine this is the front and this is the back of our queue. So we add the A to our queue, and then we get into our while loop. In our while loop, we remove the item at the front of the queue and visit it. So we're going to print the A on the terminal. Then we're going to look at its unvisited neighbors. So we're going to put the B and the C into our queue. In the next iteration, once again, we're going to remove the item at the front. So we remove the B, we visit it, which means we're going to print it over here. And then we're going to look at its unvisited neighbors. So we're going to add the D to the end of our queue. Now in the next iteration, we're going to grab the C and print it over here. And finally, the D, okay? So go ahead and spend 5 minutes on this exercise and then come back see my solution.